I have no choice. What is that again?
A Christmas light machine. No, we can make a flashing, like permanent music play. What is this speaker?
So they bought it here. What's the problem?
It doesn't work.
Don't they ever hear the Walmart?
Yeah. Let me see.
Oh.
Thank you.
How you doing?
Maybe a bit.
Ah, here we go. So how much would that cost?
I don't know.
They brought it here to have it fixed.
Oh, yeah, I don't even know if it can be fixed or not. We'll see. No, this one doesn't work.
Too big or too
No,
small?
no idea. I don't have flashlight. That's why I cannot even.
Let me see. I have a strong light over on my bed.
I don't know what type of.
Do I follow you?
No, you stay.
I stay for it. I mean, you can fix anything here.
No.
Where am I? Right there.
Whenever people bring, of course,
Yeah.
I treat everyone well.
Yes, you do. I fixed mine a few times. So they never hear at Walmart. They just bring the stuff, old junk in here, and you could fix it.
No, have to.
You could fix anything.
No, people, not everything, because sometimes parts more expensive than product. So that's why it makes no sense. But anyway, I'll do my best.
What's your website again?
Fredericton.camera.com.
Fredericton?
Camera.com.
FrederictonCamera.com. Hear that, Yuji? There you go.